We install the safety valve on the top of the gas tank. The drain valve is installed at the bottom of the gas tank. Next, we find the 6-point long screw, 6-point valve and high-pressure hose screw, 6-point high-pressure hose 2 screw. Remove the raw tape. Wrap the raw material back 20 times. Remove the 6-point valve. Remove the high-pressure hose screw. Wrap 20 turns of raw tape. Connect to the end of the valve. Wrap 20 rounds of raw material back. Find the exhaust port of the air compressor and connect it. Next, 6 points of high-pressure hose 2 screw. Find the bushing that changes from 40 to 6 points. Wrap the loose belt around 20 times. Wrap the bushing around the raw tape for about 30 turns. Next, we find the inlet and outlet of the gas tank. The lower port enters and the upper port flows out. We put the core installed to the air inlet of the gas tank. Next, we find the 40 and 1-inch bushing. 40 to 10. Find a filter with a precision of 3.0. Find the pipe connection valve. Find the 1-inch screw. Find out the 1-inch high-pressure hose screw. Connect to the outlet of the gas tank. Similarly, wrap the plastic bag around the top for about 25 times. Connection filters. Install the valve. Send in high-pressure hose to wet. Similarly, the main core is wrapped in a plastic bag for 35 turns. When installing the filter, we need to look at the inlet and outlet directions of the filter. Arrow points to the direction of air outlet. Connect to the outlet of the gas tank. Next, we find the 1-inch long screw. Inch elbow 1-inch screw. 2 screws for installing the filter. Find 2 filters. Let's take a look at the import and export of the cold dryer. In is for import. Out is the exit. We put this set at the outlet of the cold dryer. Wrap in plastic bag. About 25 laps. Connect to the air outlet of the dryer. Next, we take out the filter. The accuracy is 1.0 μ in the same direction of air outlet, arrow pointing outwards. Next, we take out the 1-inch inner thread. Wrap in plastic bag. Install the second filter. Let's take a look at this accuracy. It is 0.01 m. Also find the direction. Arrow points to the direction of air outlet. Make a connection. Next, we take out the 1-inch thread and 1-inch valve. Installed at the end of the filter. Connection filters. Installing the ball valve. The filter must be installed vertically. Vertical to the ground. Next, we take out the 1-inch high-pressure hose wire. Wrap it in the plastic bag about 25 times. Installed on the inlet of the dryer. Next, we use wrenches and pipe clamps. Lock the pipe. Next, we find the filter drain valve. Installed at the bottom of the filter. Wrap the raw material bag around 15 times. Installed at the bottom of the filter. Lock the other 2 and install them in the same way. Next, we find the 6-point high-pressure hose. Connect the outlet of the air compressor and the inlet of the air tank. Tighten with a wrench. Next, we find a 1-inch high-pressure hose. Connect the gas tank outlet and the air inlet of the dryer. Next, we install the gas tank pressure gauge. Find the pressure measuring point of the gas tank for installation. Rub it in the raw material bag about 15 times. Then tighten it with a wrench. After locking, adjust the pressure gauge and slow down to observe the internal pressure of the gas tank. The overall pipeline has now been installed. Next, we connect the power. The first step is to open the door panel of the air compressor distribution box. Find the air compressor terminal, 3 leaf wires and 1 neutral wire. Next, we put the power cord. Insert the power cord through the inlet. Connect the terminal screw to the power cord. For high power, we can use tubular connection. Tighten the other 2 wires with wire cutters. Same connection method. Next, we connect it to the terminal block. Next, we connect the machine line. Now the electric connection is ready for testing. Everybody, take a look. Now it's powered on. Display. In the fault, there are successive errors. Then we just need to put this 380 line. Swap any two. Then it's okay. Okay, now let's switch. Next, we open the electrical box. Turn off the circuit breaker. Then the fiber replacement. Okay. Here is my line already transferred. The effect machine has been adjusted. Let's try it out now. Everyone, take a look. Now the fault has been resolved. There is no more information error. This means it's normal now. It's ready to boot.